Evening, but gentlemen.
What could I say after it's done?
Хранить деньги в сберегательной кассе.
Hi guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So my name is Jerome Monastrial. Welcome back. So kanina lang galing ako sa meet ng Grupo Toyota sa Toyota Manila Bay, because Toyota Manila Bay is celebrating their anniversary ngayon. So at the same time nagpa-meet sila Kuya Robert ng GT dun sa Toyota Manila Bay. If di nyo pa napapanood yung vlog natin na yun, panoodin nyo na lang. Lagay ko na lang yung link dito banda sa upper right. And then ngayon pupunta tayo sa Clark for Stance Meet. Layo, di ba? From Pasay to Pampanga sa Clark CGC. The meet is called Northern Lights by Stance Pilipinas tsaka Slow Kids. Sila Chino, yan, sila Chino, sila Sir Nico Roque, yan, mga nag-organize ng meet dyan sa Clark. Punta tayo doon, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga builds dyan sa Clark. Honestly, alam ko nagpa-meet na si Kev ng Stance dyan sa Clark way back. Hindi ako napunta. Then ngayon na lang ulit sa Clark. And today nga pala is also Vios Cup round 3 ata. So it's Saturday, Sunday, pero Saturday ngayon. So yung mga ibang pumunta ng Vios Cup, after Vios Cup, direkta na sila dun sa CGC for a late night car meet. It's going to be 8 PM to 12 midnight. Yeah, so samahan nyo ako today as we go on an adventure ngayon. Nasa SLEX ako ngayon. Medyo traffic dito ako sa may Bulacan part. Lagi naman nata ang traffic dito. Yeah, so tights, kasabay ko pala si Irv ngayon. Kaming dalawa, convoy kami. Yeah, takits, yun lang. Let's go. Hi guys, so stop over muna kami dito sa ano to? NLEX Marilao. Kasama namin dito yung white FC ng Fitment Engineering. This one is for sale also. If kailangan nyo ng Mazda FC R7, you can message Fitment Engineering. Turbo pala to. Rotary.
Oo, malayo to.
Mazda. So it's a cabriolet. Ayan. Sabay namin ito mamaya papuntang Clark CGC. Nangyari is si Irv, PMX3. Then may isa pang coupe kaming kasama. Look at that fitment. Baba. Ganda. Binababa na nila yung soft top ng RX-7. Manual na pagbaba. Matic pala.
Pagdating doon, kailangan i-unlock yung
Silvia pala. Dito na kami sa Clark South. Dito na kami sa meet. Let's go! Dami po. I can't Dino! Dala mo na yung Yaris ah.
Yeah.
Sa
Now.
cute. Chevrolet. Yun, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa CGC for Stans Pilipinas Northern Lights. Sorry. So sobrang daming papasok ngayon. Ito ako sa may taas. Sila Team Lit 63 and kakadating lang. Ito yung lineup namin. Dito ako sa may entrance. So, pasok tayo.
Akala ko.
Ito si Migs. Hi Migs.
Hello. Sige, tagpuin ko.
Yan. Ito yung kasama natin kanina. Yung PM Coupe. Yung white na FC. So, ito kanina kasabay rin natin. Ito kay Dino. CM drives. Dito may mga American. Ito may Chevy na pickup. Pang drag. Ayan. Then this Camaro, Chevy Camaro. Pang drag din ata to. Oo, pang drag. Then this, I don't know, Impala ata to. You know, look at the paint. Ganda ng paint. Start tayo dito sa may harap. Then let's go papunta dun sa sa dulo ng street. So isang buong street yung meet usually dito sa CGC, pero pag yung normal beats dun sila sa Petron. Thank you Nico Roque. EM1 Coupe. Ito kay Kev. Then may GT3 RS dito in yellow. Ganda. Ferrari.
Make sure the zipper don't crack the hood.
Kaya magbusi.
Sayang. May nagpipicture.
O, tingin dito.
Ito kay Calvin. And this white S2. Ganda ng plaka. API 2000. This Silvio. Kay Chino ata to. Bios. Ganda ng Sakura niya. Ito ganda, parang Fast and Furious. Super Street. Lead 63 boys. Sobrang dami ko nakikita. Naka-banner sa kanila dito. Hotcakes. Car group ata siya dito. White FD. Hotcakes din. Okay, back to the lineup. So, big body. Mint green. Naka-Yakuza grill. Bigote. Starlet, oh. Pitel.
September.
Ah, laki. Meron pang street dito. Ito muna tayo sa pinakadulo. Ito may mga parang kanjo style ito, like this EG. Hotcakes din siya. Itong kit na ito, Volkswagen Civics. Starlet, Corolla Starlet. Mousetrap. Ganda na ito. Kaido House. Then we go here. The Lancer EX. Sabi sobrang daming tao dito. Wigo. Wigo ba? O Wigo. Sikot Pilipinas. Mousetrap. Kata slow. Mousetrap. Chervy. Laki din. Ang laki din ng venue. Ito may Integra tsaka CRX. Ganda. Hari to ah. Ito pala si Hari. Boss Hari Lim. Shout out. Ito may Haris dito. RS1. Teal. Teal blue. Ganda na kulay. Dami rin Yaris eh. Yaris, small body, Wigo. Ito, Nissan Durano. Oh. Yan. Kita ko to kanina papasok. Iba-ibang grupo. May isa, ala. Ito. GR Hilux pero lowered. Puta. Aba, GR Hilux na lower. Yan. Tignan mo yung upuan sa likod. Ay, sa harap. Kare-karo pa. Ano yung steering wheel niya? Oh, ha? Daming tao. So it's a one big strip dito sa CGC. Dami rin Civics. Ito Avanza. Hotcakes. Yan, madami pa nagsisidatingan. R35. Ditong side naman tayo pupunta. Nax 6644. Ito na yung Varieta. Paint job na ito, bastos. Lowrider. Okay, hi guys. So we are here with.
Slate.
I want to talk about your car here. I'm really interested with the paint here, and I've heard from someone you painted it yourself. Is that true?
Yeah. I painted it about 12 years ago.
Oh.
In the, not the backyard, the front yard of the house.
What kind of car is this? I thought it was an Impala.
So yeah, that's the top of the line for 1963, but it's actually a Bel Air. And
So it's a Chevy Bel Air.
Chevy Bel Air, and then it actually started off as a 4-door, and we cut it up and welded it, made it into kind of like an Impala-esque kind of a car.
Impala-esque.
Yeah, so we just found the Impala badges, some of the Impala taillights, and we added it to it. So just to make it look a little bit prettier.
What's the inspiration about the paint? Why did you choose green?
So like growing up, one of my favorite colors was always green, and it seemed like a peaceful, calm color. The neighborhood that I grew up, there was always like green buildings. Everybody they loved the color green. That was the neighborhood's color, and so it was just always one of those colors that just never left. And I love it. It's a good color, and with a touch of gold on top, it looks clean.
What kind of engine are you running with this one?
It started off as like a small block Chevy, and then we bored it out. I'm not sure how big we did. I think we did maybe a 410, a little bit over, maybe a 40 over. So it should be around like a 327. But yeah, just found a V8 engine, and then Ken Kepner, which is a legend here in Angela City. He, under his guidance, he taught me a lot, and he allowed me to be part of the project of building my own engine. Yep. So Ken Kepner, if you're watching this, sir,
Shout out to you.
yeah, shout out to you, sir. The fun fact about this one, this is actually from your area.
Oh, it's from Manila.
It's from Manila, and the Marikina flooded at the guy's house, and he just had to let it go, and I was just at the lucky moment, and I'm very grateful to him for selling it, and I was like, thank you so much, and I'm honored that I'm able to restore it, and I'm still friends with him, and he's so happy to see it the way it looks now.
Yeah, it's still running, still being maintained.
Yes. So it's definitely from his family to my family. This is one of those things that we love so much.
Question, what's something that you like about this car?
There's always a point in restoration where you have to say, okay, I'm going to go all the way, but that costs so much money. And there's some parts where you're just going to have to say, okay, I'm going to have to pull back and do a lot of the fabrication myself. And one of the things that I had to do was the original interior was all torn up, but I managed to salvage and save some of the original interior pieces from the old car and then fabricate it back into the seat where it's upholstered. So that plaid looking material you see right there is actually the original material from 1963. So if you touch it, you feel like you go back in time, and then the rest, as you can see, it's been repainted and been, freshened up over the years. So.
And what's something you don't like about this car?
Don't like about the car? The paint is popping, the paint is peeling.
Yeah.
If you know car guys, you know that they always are nitpicking and trying to find things to fix on their car. And that's what I don't like about it, because I'll go around and there's something on it and I feel like I have to fix it. And there's no end to it. And it's a good thing and a bad thing. It keeps me busy, right? But some days I just look at it and I'm like, oh no, I have to repaint everything, I have to rebuild everything. But I accept the condition that it's in, and I know it's a 12-year-old build, and I'm just happy to have it on the road today.
Do you also accept commissions from other guys, they want to do a paint job like this?
Time and money, right? Time and money. And I guess the best way to put it is, in our car club, we try to take care of each other, right? And that's the brotherhood of the car club. Friends, you really can't put a cost or a price on a friendship, right? But when they ask me to do something and I have the time to do it, I'm going to drop whatever I'm doing. I'm going to help my buddies. Yeah, 100%. But
Friendship.
Oh,
yeah.
100%. If somebody in the club needs something done and they are, thinking that I'm capable of doing it, I'm grateful that they think I'm able to do it for them. I'm going to do it for them and help them out. So, I don't think I'm an expert by any means. I got a long ways to go. I'm still learning, right? But it's been fun, and I've met a lot of cool people through the car club scene.
Is there a car club lowriders here in Pampanga?
Club, I wouldn't say club, but there is definitely some very, very special pieces around town. Right, out of respect, I'm not going to say the names, but these guys, these brothers, if anybody knows, these brothers, there's a reason why they're called the Lowrider Kings of the Philippines. And, shout out to them for what they do. And hopefully one day, if they ever come my way and I get to hang out with them, I'll be blessed to see their collection, you know, and I look forward to that day. But yes, to answer your question, there's some very beautiful lowriders tucked away in special places around town. Yep.
That's it. Thank you so much, brother. Bye-bye, Varieta. Sarap. Ang sarap mo. LSX. Hi guys, so dito ako ngayon sa CGC. Kasama ko ngayon si Tisoy, tama ba?
Soy na
Yun,
lang, Soy.
Si Soy, yun.
Alam na nila yun.
Alam na nila. So yun, kasama ko si Soy. Dito yung ano niya. Anong kotse to, bro?
78 Galant Sigma.
Galant Sigma.
Quad light.
Ano siya, bro? Anong inspiration mo behind this build?
Actually dati binild ko siya na all stock lang. Tapos ang ganda ng suspension, ride stock lang siya. Tapos bigla akong nainip. Sabi ko, pakilaman ko na to, sirain ko na, sabi ko. Kasi dati kakatayin lang dapat yung sasakyan na to eh. Tapos pinagtripan ko hanggang naging ganyan siya.
Ito na siya.
Actually dalawa kami ng kaibigan ko, ayan. Kaya
natin mamaya.
kaya naging ganyan yung mga sasakyan namin. Tapos ito inangkop ko siya sa simple lang na Kaido, Q siya, yan ganyan.
Yeah.
Tapos yung mga simple lang na sticker, library,
Yeah.
para mag-itsura siyang ganyan.
Kaido Racer.
For now, ongoing siya. Yung lights sa loob, yung talagang original dapat. Yung original na pang Kaido Racer. Tapos hanggang ganyan na siya. I'm not gonna make it wild, really wild, because I'm planning maybe next year Mark II na yun talagang
Cressida.
yun talagang Bosuzo ko na.
With the shark nose,
Oo.
everything.
Pero this one, it's gonna stay like that. I might add just chin here, maybe until here, ganun siya kahaba. Naglagay ako ng carb cams, double spring, for a bit of a power kasi walang power yung mga coaching to eh.
Correct.
Yeah. We're just letting out what's the most of the engine's gonna bring out, what power can give. Satisfied ako, kaya hindi na ako nag-upgrade. Magaling yung yung builder magaling.
Sino yung builder?
Ayun.
Shoutout.
Jay.
Yeah,
Jay
shout out to
Feliciano. This car, wala kaming shop, wala kami.
DIY lang
This
sa
is
bahay.
straight build from the street.
Street build
And
lang.
street and small garage na naglilik pa. Pero it came out ganito, marami nagkagusto.
Ganda nga eh. Umikot ako, ito yung napansin ko. Kasi bihira ang nagbibuild ng
bihira.
Bonzo, especially the Philippines. Iba lang, onti lang nakaka-appreciate kasi yung iba sasabihin, what's that? Bakit ganyan? Ano yan?
bakit?
Spaceship ba yan?
Pero nung
If you know, you know.
inikot ko, sabi ko nga baka sabihin nila baliw ata to, ganyan yung build niya.
Bakit ganyan yung tambucho?
Pero wala eh. Ganda, sinabi pa, gusto ko yung tambucho mo, boss.
Kakaiba.
Oo. Tapos yan talagang masasabi mo talaga DIY kasi pati ito.
Custom.
Oo.
Mahal.
Ginawa ni Apo nito yung magaling na naglalatero. Makikita mo, walang weld eh. Walang weld.
What's Larsen Special?
Yan yung apelido ko.
Okay.
Kasi pag nag-build ka ng Kaido, tulad niyan yung Moonlight Racer yung sa Amerika.
Yes.
Tapos meron the Pink Lobster.
Yeah. Team High
Oo,
Heels.
marami yan.
High Fever.
May special pa eh.
Yes.
Ito, linagay ko Larsen Special.
Yun, kailangan mo ng ng personal touch mo.
Oo.
Yun. The Larsen Special.
Yan na yung magdadala.
What's something that you like about this car?
Ngayon ko pa lang siya nagustuhan eh.
Ang yun pa lang.
Kasi
Kakatapos lang ba?
hindi na, tagal na yan. Years na. At this car, Trip lang talaga siya. Talaga lahat trip lang yan. Lumabas siyang ganyan hanggang na-in-love na ako sa kanya.
Pero hindi pa to yung final form. It's
Oo.
still evolving. Marami pa bang babaguhin?
Kasi ko-chrome ko yung mga yan eh.
Mga trims.
Oo.
Then what is something that you don't like about this car?
If iba yung owner ng coaching to, siguro ayaw nila kasi maybe they cannot bear with the car eh. But me,
Yung mga ganun.
kasi minsan titirik ka. Pero
It's part.
it's part of the car. Ako gusto ko lahat eh. I like rusty junk cars. I like engines
Smell.
from we get it from the junk shop in Santa
Build it.
Te. Yeah.
It builds character.
We just refurbish the parts. We almost not buy new parts. We just refurbish. Yeah.
And then put it back again and
Yeah.
make it work.
But if you need the new parts, of course you really need to buy because you need a car that's roadworthy.
Yes.
And it's also for your own safety.
Yes. So right now in Pampanga, there's only 2 Bosozo Hokkaido builds right now.
I'm not sure, but I haven't seen one yet here. Oh, there is one, but it's a Kyusha.
Fuchsia style.
Yeah, the Corona. The one with the Shibata tires and 10 in
10
front,
inch.
12 in the back.
I haven't seen that.
Yeah, Star Shark, the one with the Star
Star
Shark.
Shark.
It's also in our group.
That's it. Thank you so
Okay,
much,
thank you
bro.
very much.
Thank you, Soy.
Thank you, thank you.
Yon, so this has been our Stance Pilipinas CGC Northern Lights meet sa Clark, Pampanga. So medyo malayo yung meet natin for today's video. Ngayon pauwi na ako. Medyo malayo rin yung biyahe pauwi, pero still enjoy. It was my first time attending a meet in Pampanga. It was really different. Ang daming gems, ang daming kakaibang builds na nakita. I'm sure napanood nyo sa video. If umabot kayo sa part ng video na to, you can comment down below CGC. Pwede na yun, CGC. Para alam ko talagang nanood kayo from start to finish. And if you guys wanna buy our merch, you can buy our merch at www.eversense-streetclub.com. Don't forget the dash, baka kung saan kayo mapunta. Yun, so this has been Jerome Monastrial. See you on the next vlog. Ciao!